Well, hello and welcome. We're going to get started today with our first lesson on how to read music. Of course, if you'd like more information before or after, you can visit speedymusicreading.com, but today we're going to be talking about note value. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, well, if you are a musician, you've probably seen this before. This is called the grand staff. And then, of course, if you like, you recognize here the G-looking symbol. That's called the treble clef, of course, and the one down below it on the second staff is called the bass clef, and when you combine those, you get the grand staff. So that's what we're talking about. All right. Well, the first thing you need to know about the grand staff is what those little breaks are in the middle. As you see, you've got these breaks, so the staff is actually broken up into 4 pieces here, and each one of those pieces is called a measure. And what that means is that's basically where the beats start over within the music. Now I'll give you an example of what I mean here. You've probably seen before, I just added those 4 fours, those 2 fours on top of each other there. That's called a time signature, as you can see right there. And basically what the time signature means, that first top number there, the top 4, that tells you is how many beats are in a measure. So this first measure right here where the time signature is, there would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they start the next measure and it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beats in each measure, you see. So that's how it works really. And that top number again tells you the number of beats in a measure. And next, I told you we were going to be talking about note value here, and that is what we're going to be talking about, because note value is how many notes it takes to take up a beat. Does that make sense? I'll show you what I'm talking about.